Welcome to this guided meditation from Selfcare Karen. This meditation is designed to build feelings of self-esteem and self-love. We often show more compassion and empathy to others than we do to ourselves, and that does us a great disservice. Let's readdress the balance and build our own self-love. So get comfortable. Perhaps that's being seated or maybe lying down. Just settle in. Gently close your eyes. Try and clear your mind and feel a sense of calm. For now, focus on my voice and focus on your breath. If distracting thoughts come to your mind, just acknowledge them and watch them float away. You're right where you need to be. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Take another deep breath in, the deepest breath you've taken today, and gently release it. You're feeling relaxed and in the moment. You are here and you are safe. You are relaxed and at peace. You are deserving of all good things. You are worthy of fulfilling your dreams. You have the power to manifest what you want into your reality. You have all that you need within you right now. You are perfect exactly as you are. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe it out. Now breathe in love. Love for yourself, for you. Breathe out any sense of lack that you are holding. Today, choose you. You are worthy of infinite compassion. Be you. Don't apologize for being you. Your life is filled with joy and abundance. You are worthy and deserving of all good things. Treat yourself with love and kindness. You are happy to be you. Love, respect, and accept yourself as you are. You have something special to offer the world. You are a priority. Today, choose you. Gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining Selfcare Karen. Peace be with you. Remember, you are in perfect time. Namaste.